you lovely people. I'm Kiran Kokar. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a fresh new video for you guys, which is on our favorite festival, Diwali. So Diwali India का बहुत ही prime festival है and we all love it all by our heart. So I thought to bring you guys some couple of videos for this Diwali and they're all lined up. So I hope you're subscribed to this channel so that you get to know whenever I upload a new video. Also, make sure you follow me on my social media channels so that you get notified with daily updates. And now I'm going to talk about today's look. So this is the makeup look you're going to see in today's video. मैंने जितने possible था उतना affordable makeup use किया है and I have kept it really easy for you guys so that you can just do it in a couple of minutes without any extra effort. So that is about today's video and without any further delay, let's get started. So as I've told you, I'm going to keep this makeup very light and easy. So I'm going to start with my favorite Benefit the Pore Professional. So इसकी सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है कि हल्का सा पिंक टिंट देता है आपकी cheeks पर and I have a lot many pores here, so it really helps me out to hide them. And I'm just going to apply it on the areas where I really need it and just dab it. So you are not going to really, just do it like this. आपको सिर्फ dab करना है on the areas where you have porous skin. Now just let it sit for 5 minutes and then I'll start with my foundation. So मेरा skin के pores पहले से बहुत better हो गए हैं and now I'm going to start with my foundation. So now अगर मैं maybe घर पे होती तो I would have used my favorite Maybelline Fit Me. This really goes well for the whole day and I love this foundation a lot, but probably I'm going out with my friends, so I will be using this Bobbi Brown foundation, which is SPF with SPF 15. ये foundation बहुत ही natural है and आपको बहुत कम dabs लेने होते हैं and it really looks flawless on your skin. This is why I love it. So I will just take a few drops of it. You can take it on your hand or on your brush as you feel like. And I'm going to just apply it like this and then just buff it into my skin. So आपको जो comfortable लगता है, if you want to apply it with your beauty blender, you can do that. But I like this. This brush is, these brushes I've got from Amazon and they're really looking fine. As I'm done with my foundation and I love this natural finish of it, I will just conceal my dark circles under my eyes with this infallible full wear concealer. And best part about this one is that इसकी बहुत कम application चाहिए होती है, but the product consistency is so good कि आपको इसके बाद कुछ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी and really long lasting and इस price के अंदर I guess this is the best concealer you will get. So yeah, now you know why it is my favorite one and most of my videos you will see this concealer because this is really so good. So just apply it under my eyes. Also I have this mark here, so I'll just conceal it. I'll use it as a highlighter also. Some other pigmentation. That's it. And then just quickly blend it. अब हम इसे बंद कर सकते हैं. Now I've set my eyes with my concealer and I'm sure you can see the difference is pretty much visible. So अब मैं इनको under eyes को set करने के लिए I'll be using this Etude powder. This is in shade Dream On Powder 01 Banana and this again is my favorite. So I'm gonna take it in this मैं थोड़ा सा इसको इसमें डालकर I'll just press it under my eyes. इससे क्या होगा, जो आपके अंडर आई लाइंस होती हैं वो कैमोफ्लेज हो जाएंगी एंड आपके अंडर आईज क्रीज भी कम करेंगे, जो बिकॉज अंडर आई का मेकअप जो होता है वो काफी क्रीज कर जाता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इट वोंट हैपन. देन आई विल अप्लाई सम हियर बिकॉज मेरा ये वाला एरिया भी जो है ये क्रैक अप हो जाता है फाउंडेशन से. सो दिस विल हेल्प इन सॉर्टिंग दैट इशू टू. Like this step is really avoidable, but I like to do it because it helps me. Now I'm gonna apply a bit of it all over my face. बहुत ही कम consistency लेनी है. You don't have to really make your face too cakey. Now after a couple of minutes you will just brush off the excess of powder. Now we will be moving on to, so I've already done basics of my eyebrows. I will just fill them in after the end of my makeup. Now we'll be moving on to our eyeshadow. So with my foundation मैंने already थोड़ा eye base लगा लिया है. And that is just to cut the pigmentation which we have over our eyes. And now I'm going to use this Sigma palette and I'll be taking up this color which is the lightest one. So I'll apply it over my eyes so that मैं इसके बाद जो भी कलर अप्लाई करने जाऊंगी वो अच्छे से आए. So this is the lightest shade here. It is kind of like I use it as eye base. Now moving on, I'll be using this brown shade here, which I will be using as the transition shade for my eyes. And I'll just go on my crease line. Just apply it in very light motion. Brush here I'm using is from Sigma and this is number E40. It is called tapered blending. It is a beautiful brush. So you can see I have just done some creasing here. So I have applied a light bit of brown shade so that my eyes get a bit of depth. Now I'm going to go ahead with this pinkish shade from my Sigma palette. Just apply it. Now because it is Diwali makeup and we need some sparkle, so I will be using this very old palette of mine, like almost. So I'll be using this Freedom palette and from here I'll be taking this golden shade, which is again one of my favorites, and I'll just go ahead and apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. I like to keep my looks really very simple, and even if it's Diwali or whatever, I really don't like to go overboard. Like my makeup is not really over the top kind, so I like to keep them really simple and light. So now there are days when I really don't use anything under my waterline, on my waterline. But I thought to just add some color to it. So that is what I've done. I guess I'm pretty much happy with my eyes now, and now I'll be moving on to my mascara. I'll be just curling my eyelashes first. And then I'm going to go ahead with this Nykaa Like It Long mascara. So just apply it casually and warmly. Now if you want you can apply eyelashes. मुझे बहुत heavy लगती हैं eyelash apply करना, तो मैं वो skip करूँगी and I would rather go with my natural eyelashes and would like to extend it using my Like It Long mascara. So now you can see how just one coat of it has really changed my eye game. However, I am going ahead with a Nykaa Super Sizzler and I'll be applying one coat of it as well. This is a voluminizing mascara, so I just will add some of it. Nykaa mascaras are really the cheapest and I won't call them cheapest, actually I would say affordable ones, and they really work so good. This is me for the first time trying them. Like I've recently got them 2-3 months back, and trust you me, I have so many brands but I just don't want to move from Nykaa's mascara. They come in, I guess, some 300-400 rupees and really goes, and they're waterproof as well. And they really don't move throughout the day. Like they won't smudge, they won't spoil your eyes, and they're just too good. So I guess I'm good with my eyes now, and I'm gonna go ahead with contouring and then blushing. Okay, so I will be moving ahead with my favorite Kiko Milano compact, and I love this one as well because it's बहुत ही light है and इसका shade warm bronze है, which is really perfect for my skin tone. This one is Soft Marsala 02 Nourishing Bronzes. This fragrance is also really very nice. So I'll start with my nose and I'll apply it in light motion. And like this. And then just blend the lines. So my face is really round, so it gives a nice cut to it, and also obviously add colors to the skin because otherwise the whole face looks really pale and yellow. This is why bronzer is one of the things I really do not like to skip, even if it's the lightest makeup. And then I'll go ahead and apply on my neck area, like to enhance my jawline. Now we are done with it, so we will go ahead with using a blush. It is again from my Freedom palette, and I have two colors here, so I'm going to just mix them and use them. And I have a brush which I was using for my banana powder already, so I'll just quickly press it along because it will blend in the excess of blush I might have applied. So आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कॉम्पैक्ट या वो लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपने जिस ब्रश से ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है उसी को दोबारा से you can apply and excess of stuff थोड़ा सा बैलेंस हो जाएगा. Okay, so I guess we're done with our face, and then we will move into the last step, which is the lipstick one. I forgot, I have to apply highlighter as well. Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick. So I'll be going ahead with Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick, and I'll be again using my tapered candy brush because this gives a really nice finishing. Just a couple of strokes. This one is really very mild and light. I have other highlighters as well, but I guess this is the best one. So very, very light strokes. And I'm good to go. हम पूरा look finish करने वाले हैं, and I will be using this Sigma lip color, which is in shade in Spain's Power Stick, and this is kind of matte, but kind of powder matte, which is not really matte but still matte. So I'll be applying this. I will be going ahead with Kiko Milano Super Gloss. So I'll just apply a little bit of it for a bit of shine. So this is my look, and I'll just do my hair and come back. Today's look. I hope आपको ये बहुत पसंद आया हो. Look बहुत simple है. I know I will come up maybe with another look which will be a little heightened, but this is for today. Very simple and easy to do look. मैंने बहुत सारी और दिवाली related videos plan की जिसमें outfits भी हैं, hair styles भी हैं. So make sure आपने channel subscribe कर लिया हो, with the notification bell on, so that you get notified जब भी next video upload होगी. So make sure you follow me on my social media channels as well, because वहाँ पे बहुत सारा daily content upload करती हूँ, which are reels, which are videos, and which are pictures. So you will get to know more about my outfits and my daily life. And that was for today's video. I love you all, and I really appreciate the love and support you shower on me. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.